I'm going to discuss about UGC careless journals and how to identify cloned journals. UGC journal is revised 4 times in a year, that is 1st of January, 1st of April, 1st of July and 1st of October of each year. According to that, UGC has revised the journal list recently on 1st of July. Let me see how we will find UGC careless journals by entering into UGC careless website. Just type UGC careless in the bar and you will find the link UGC approved list of journals. It will open this page and here you can able to find the link UGC approved list of journals has been replaced by UGC care list with effect from 14/6/2019. If you click this link, it will open another page. In this page you have to log in. So already I have logged in my home page. If you don't have a login ID, just if you click once, it will open this page and here you can create your login ID by selecting register here. Already I have an ID, so I have entered in my home page. So this is our login page. Here you can able to find important notice in this. There are 2 links. One is UGC careless group 1. These journals found qualified through UGC careless protocols. Another link is UGC careless group 2. These journals indexed in globally recognized databases. And one more option you will able to find here, list of cloned journals. If you click this link, it will open a list of fake journals. So these are the list of fake journals. You can able to find the list of fake journals which is related to the journal. So here we can able to find that there are 24 fake journals in this list. So likewise you can able to find cloned journals too. Now I'm going to select UGC care list group 1. So here journals found qualified through UGC protocol I can able to find by selecting this search option. So here there are science journals and then social sciences, arts and humanities, multidisciplinary, Indian languages. There are so many journals. If I select science journals, it will open another link. It will display the journals. There are 400 journals. In first page I can able to find 1 to 10 serial number journals. If I click second page, it will open a serial number continuously from 11 to 20. So likewise it will go on. So all these journals comes under group 1, UGC care list group 1. Let me see what the UGC care list group 2 journal list contains. There are journals indexed in globally recognized databases like Web of Services, Scopus and MLA. If I choose Scopus source list, it will open the Scopus indexed list that comes under the UGC care list group 2. You can able to find so many journals here. This page also has search options like this: subject area, title, publisher and ISSN. Based on subject area I'm going to search. Just if you click this one, you will be able to find so many subject areas here. For example, I am selecting computer science and give apply. So it will open journals related to computer science. There are 183 journals we can able to find here. So based on this you can find the journals, UGC care list group 2 journals. Thank you all. In this video we discussed about UGC care list group 1 and UGC care list group 2 journals. Kindly subscribe the video to get recent trends in technology as well as research methodology. Thank you.